Welcome friends. E-learning online course on designing e-resources batch 5. All of you are busy in completing your assignments and submitting the same. Those who are submitting all the 9 assignments will get e-certificate. In this video, you will see how to check your name and other particulars for generating e-certificate at our end. To do this, we have sent a Google Sheet to your personal email ID. You will get an email like this: Director Z@, Mumbai for certificate writing, invitation to edit. Open it. Online course Z@Mumbai@gmail.com has invited you to edit the following spreadsheet. Open the sheet. You will see a Google Sheet, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, where it will be list of participants, RO Raipur batch 5. Here all your names are arranged one below the other as per your roll number. As per your roll number, the names have been arranged. This sheet contains your name in English, your designation, KV and region all are in English, and your name in Hindi, designation in Hindi, your name of the KV in Hindi and region in Hindi, and a remarks column. And you are observing that below your name one row is left vacant. Under each name one row is left. This row is meant for doing corrections. The row which is left below your name is meant for doing the corrections. Let us see how you have to do. For example, my name, the spelling is having some correction. I will change it into M. Srinivasan. Remember, the change which you are doing, please convert it into red color. I repeat, the name or any changes you are doing, please type it, the correct change. Below your name, one row is there. In that row, you type it. For example, my name in English is I want to do a change. Therefore, I did it and I converted it into the color into red, which means that you have done a change. Suppose in the designation no change, put a hyphen. If there is no change in your KV name, put a hyphen. In your region name, suppose I want this region name should be KV as Z@ Mumbai. Once again I repeat, whatever you are doing, the changes you are doing, please type only the changes you want to make and then change the color into red. These are all the changes you wanted in English. Name in English, designation, KV and region. If there is a change, do it below that, the row which is kept for it. Otherwise, put a hyphen. The changes which you are making, please convert it into red color. Okay, but let us come back to the changes in Hindi. Now, in Hindi, you can type it if you are having Unicode in your computer. If you are not having that Unicode, what you have to do? Go to this Google search, type Google input tool. It will take you to Google input tools. Open it, try it out. In that, this will be done offline. Therefore, on online you are doing it, Hindi. When you are doing it, typing with your Unicode, it will be offline, but this is done online. Okay, now let me type my name. It will automatically give you the lot of spelling, but the first one is right. I take it, I have copied it and then come back to this and then I paste it. Remember, after I have pasted it, what you have to do? I have to change the color into red. I want a change there. Now here I don't want any change. Here I think KV name in India, I don't want any change. After you have done all the changes, in the remarks column, please type checked. I repeat, in the remarks column, please type checked. Once again I repeat, identify your name. Your name you have to identify as per your roll number. Below your name, in against your roll number, one row is left vacant for doing corrections. Check the name in English, check the designation, check the KV, check the region name. Region name normally it will be Raipur. If there is any change, any spelling change in your name, please type it below that in the row which is left for that and change the font color into red. If there is no change, simply put one hyphen. Similarly, check the names and other particulars in Hindi also. And for Hindi, you can use Unicode to type it, or please go to this Google input tool, select Hindi and type it and select the correct spelling in Hindi. Then after all your changes are made, please type in the remarks column as checked. There is no need to save this file because it will be saved automatically online. After you have done all your changes and the remarks column you have written checked, please close this file and come out. Please don't do any other changes here. Please take only minimum 2 days to do it so that we can generate e-certificates for all of you and we can send it by email to you. Thank you, friends.